In this video, we take a high-level look at service catalogs from the perspective of users and administrators. We also look at the service catalog management roles you can assign to other users to delegate service catalog tasks. Later videos in this series provide more details on the topics you'll see here. With the Service Catalog application, you can create one or multiple catalogs of products and shared services that your organization offers to its employees, customers, suppliers, and others. A service catalog can contain almost anything: products like computer equipment, software, furniture, or office supplies, and services like work requests, password reset, or support to resolve incidents. The products and services in a catalog are organized into categories and subcategories. The base system includes several useful categories, and you can define your own. To order an item in a service catalog, users navigate through the categories to find the specific items they want. First, let's look at a service catalog from the perspective of an end user. To see how categories work, here's how the user might find a laptop computer: hardware, laptops, sales laptop. And here's the catalog page for the laptop. It's much like a page on a typical e-commerce site, with a picture, a description, options or accessories, and fields for ordering the item. Now let's see what the catalog page looks like for the system administrator. To see our list of catalog items, we navigate to Service Catalog, Catalog Definitions, Maintain Items. To find our sales laptop, we enter Sales in the search field, and here it is. This is the form that defines the catalog page users see. Here's where you define the elements of the page, like the picture, the price, the description, and optional features or accessories. You also define a fulfillment process, or how the item is processed, via a workflow or an execution plan. Note that if you don't have a workflow defined, you can define an execution plan instead. Now let's look at service requests. The service catalog also contains items that let users request services, like reporting an IT issue or changing a password. In general, these items are simplified versions of the full forms that are used to create such requests. Let's look at an example: creating an incident by reporting an issue. Here's the full form that IT personnel use to create an incident. Now we're logged on as an end user again. The incident request is in the Can We Help You category, the logical place for the user to look. We click Report an Issue, and here's the simplified form for the user. You can see how forms like these help users report issues and request services quickly, on their own, without contacting IT. These forms are called record producers because they add a record to a system table, like the incidents table. The service catalog in the base system includes several record producers. To see the list, we'll go back to our System Administrator account and navigate to Service Catalog, Catalog Definitions, Record Producers. Here's the one we just saw for reporting an issue. This form defines the page that users see, including the descriptions and the variables for user input. In the Accessibility tab, you associate the item with a service catalog or catalogs in which it will appear. You can also specify a category, which allows users to search for the item. In the Generated Record Data tab, you can also define a template to assign one or more static field values for all records created by the record producer. Here's an example. This template sets the short description to reset my password, sets the record to active, and the contact type to self-service. Finally, let's look at the roles you can assign to users to delegate Service Catalog management tasks. Administrators can manage all aspects of the Service Catalog application, including catalogs, categories, catalog items, and scripting functions, such as creating business rules. Catalog administrators also can manage all aspects of the Service Catalog application, except scripting functions. Catalog managers assigned to a service catalog can edit and update it, including its categories and catalog items. Catalog managers can also assign catalog editors and assign the catalog to a different manager. Catalog editors assigned to a service catalog can perform the same functions as a catalog manager, including assigning other editors to the catalog, but they cannot reassign the catalog manager. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community. For cost-effective training solutions, contact ServiceNow Education Services.